Welcome to 192 Granton Edge Lane. This property is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3,600 square feet. We've got an office, a loft, a family room, and a living room to show you. Some upgraded features of this property include gutters, curb creep, large barn doors, and we have a fenced-in backyard. This kitchen features a really large island, perfect for entertaining, and we have a huge butler's pantry behind us, great for storage. Outdoors, we have woods in the front and the back. You can also take a walk right down the street to a resort-style amenities, and we have a 300-acre lake behind us.